Hello, this is Arthur again. Today we're going to take a look at this very beautiful 2004 S55 AMG Mercedes. It's black with black interior. It's here to get serviced, which it already did. It got new wiper blades. It got lowered on links. Got this beautiful SSR 3-piece wheels installed instead of the OEM wheels. Also, you got a new belt and overall checkup. This car is 150,000 miles. It's in very good condition. The paint looks very nice. It does have a few dings here and there, but nothing that shouldn't be easily corrected with some PDR. There's newly tinted windows on it. Staggered wheels, 275 in the rear and 255 in the front. The tires might get replaced as the owner wants it to be a little bit lower than this, possibly. We're gonna see about that. But to me, right now, the height is pretty perfect. I also replaced the grille, as this one's come with the black inserts on the grill, and this one is a S600 grill, and I think it looks a little bit classier and it kind of blends in with the gray center wheels. Let's take a look at the interior. This one has pretty good options. It has the parking sensors, has keyless go, does have heated and ventilated seats, also has dynamic seats in the front. Overall, it's in very nice condition. It does have rear sunshades. Let's take a look at them. Should go right here. It doesn't have the power rear seats. However, it does have the long wheelbase room that you get. For these cars, is pretty immaculate. Pretty incredible how much room you have in the back. Now let's take a look at under the hood, and then we're gonna raise it up and take a look at it from the bottom. Let's take a look at under the hood of this S55. This one is the famous M113K engine with 493 horsepower in this version, 516 pound-feet of torque. It feels very torquey and powerful at pretty much all the rev range. I'm a big fan of this engine. It's probably one of the best Mercedes engines, if not the best. Pretty easy to work on, not that many issues, and has a great power. Let's take a look at the bottom of this S55. Let's go start from the back. As you can see, the AMG signature quad exhaust tips. The rear suspension. The diff has some fins on them. Unfortunately, these don't have the positive rear end. They are open diff. This car is missing some of the covers that go on the bottom. However, overall, for especially 150,000 miles and a car with the ABC, it's very clean underneath. There's no any significant oil leaks. There is an ABC line that looks a little bit sweaty, which might need to be replaced soon. Other than that, it looks pretty great. Motor mounts were replaced. Control arms looks like these are new. Front ones not so much. However, for the year and model, I think this one is in very good condition for the 150,000 miles. Please comment, like and subscribe. There are more videos to come soon. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.